Hello everyone, I am Judhisti and welcome to Judhisti Rahul. Today we will discuss the conversation between a student and a teacher. In this video, you will get to know how a student should make a conversation with his teacher properly in English. So if you watch this video properly, then I'm sure that you will never fail to make a conversation with your teachers in English. Wherever it may be in the classroom, it may be in the campus, it may be in the house. Everywhere you will able to make a conversation with your teacher if you watch this video completely. So let's get going with the conversation. Good morning, sir. Good morning, students. Sit down. Thank you, sir. How are you all? We all are fine, sir. Thank you. How are you, sir? I'm also doing good. Thank you. Keep quiet, everyone, because I'm going to take your attendance right now. Roll number 1.
Present, sir.
Roll number 2.
Present, sir.
Roll number 3.
Present, sir.
Roll number 4. Roll number 4. Why he is not attend? Roll number 4. Actually, he has gone to his grandmother's house, sir. That is why he is not able to attend today's class, sir. Here it is his leave letter. Okay. By the way, why did you absent yesterday, Roshan? Actually, I was suffering from fever. That is why I was not able to attend yesterday's classes. Even you did not send a leave letter to the class teacher. You had to send the leave letter. Sorry, sir. I forgot to send that leave letter due to high fever. It's okay. By the way, how do you feel right now? Yes, sir. Better than tomorrow. Okay. All of you, please submit your homeworks that I had given yesterday. Roshan, where is your homework? Please submit that. Sorry, sir. I haven't completed my homeworks as I had told you that I was suffering from fever. Okay, don't worry, but please complete that homework as soon as possible. Okay, sir. Sure. Thank you. Welcome, Roshan. Rest of you, please submit your homework. Dear students, now we will read our second chapter, which is a beautiful story about two friends. Now let us open chapter number 2. Sir, I'm not able to find out that chapter. Can you please tell me the page number? Yeah, it's 54. Yes, sir, I got it. Thank you. Students, this is all about today's class. Now it's time to give you homeworks. Write down all the difficult words for 10 times that I have given today's class. No, sir. Can we write 5 times instead of 10 times? No, you should write for 10 times. Okay, sir. Thank you.